So in today's video, I'm actually visiting one of the most popular new construction communities here within the Horizon West Winter Garden, Florida area, known as the Silverleaf Oaks community, built by Pulte Homes. Now, this is a master plan community that definitely has a lot to offer you and your family and all the residents who live here currently, right? Now, amenities-wise, I know they're gonna have a resort-style pool, which they're currently building and it's on the way. So hopefully by the time you move in here, you're gonna be able to enjoy of that. They have plenty of playgrounds for the kiddos. They also have a nice dog park for the fur babies and plenty of walking trails that run throughout this entire community to keep you fit and keep the kiddos safe while they're riding their bikes or their electric scooters throughout this entire community. Not to mention, let's talk about location, right? You're maybe 25 to 35 minutes away from the Orlando, Florida area, keeping you close to all the chaos that Orlando has to offer, but far enough where you can have a nice, peaceful environment to live in with your family. At the same time, you're maybe a 30 to 40-minute drive from the Orlando International Airport. And for all those who like to visit the mouse at his house in Disney, you're about maybe a 12 to 20-minute drive from the Disney theme parks as well. So definitely a lot of reasons why a lot of folks gravitated to this Horizon West community. Not to mention, you have local schools here within this master plan community, which are top rated schools, which definitely brought a lot of popularity to this area for a lot of folks who have young children, right? You're about maybe a stone's toss away from the Hamlin Shopping Center, where you're gonna have a lot of restaurants to enjoy there as well. A lot of shopping, a lot of eateries there, which I think offer a lot to you and your family also. Now, today we're gonna be taking a look at one of their models in particular, which is gonna be their Scarlett model, which has a ton to offer, which if you know a little bit about Pulte Homes, they do have several packages that you can choose from, different variations of the structure that you can choose for the build of that particular model. But nevertheless, the model does have a lot of upgrades in it, which you want to make sure you keep that in mind, because the base price will not reflect all the upgrades that that model has, but it definitely gives you an idea of what you can do with that particular model. And I know a lot of folks who are moving from out of state or relocating here within the Orlando area ask me about models just like this one. So we're going to take a look at it together and see if it makes sense for buyers these days to purchase a home just like that. So let's not talk anymore, guys. Let's go head over to the model and see what it has to offer. Guys, so coming into this beautiful Scarlett model, you are met with this nice long hallway, which is the foyer here at the front of the home, separating this entryway from the common space area towards the back of the home, which is something that we definitely like to see. But immediately towards our left here, I want to show you this nice room that they have here towards the front of this model, which can be used as an in-law suite. Very spacious room. Tons of natural light coming in from those two windows that face the front of the home, just off that little patio or that front porch area that we saw through some aerial views of this model. And you also have this nice ensuite bathroom, and you also have this nice walk-in closet. Tons of storage space for all the items for this particular room that can be used as an in-law suite. But let's move on from this hallway, guys. Let's go towards the middle of this home. You have two different hallways here towards our right. You have a hallway that's going to take you towards the area where the garage is. It's being used as an office since this is the sales office from here, but that can be used or that can be made to be a 2-car garage or a 3-car garage based on the options that you choose for this particular model. Or you can have that space where the 3rd-car garage would go or the tandem garage would go and build that as another flex room if you wanted that choice here. It's just all about the options that you can choose from for this particular model. Right across from here, you do have a half bathroom, so all the guests who are down here, they can utilize that bathroom and they don't have to go upstairs to use the bathroom there either. But let's move across this way. We are going to take a look at this open space concept. As you can tell, we got a lot of natural light hitting my face right now. Here towards the left, you have kind of a little flex area as well. They do have it staged here as an office, so you get an idea of what you can do with the space. And you never realize how important flex spaces are for particular models until you have one, right? Or if you're someone who works remotely from home, right? You have this space, so you can kind of design that as a small little office space and get some work done from this area. Now, moving forward towards the back of this home, we're going to take a look at the family room area and take a look at this spacious family room, right? As you can see here, they have it staged with 2 different couches back to back, giving you an idea of what you can do to set this area up for entertainment for your family and your guests. tons of space, and you have that nice triple slider in the back, giving a lot of natural light here as well. But let's take a look at the heart of this home, which is going to be this beautiful kitchen that they have here, which is going to be a gourmet style kitchen at that, with that microwave and oven integrated into the cabinets there towards the back, to the side of this kitchen, right? Plenty of counter space. They definitely were generous with this spacious island here, dead center of this beautiful kitchen. You have that beautiful stone countertop as well, with that tub style sink integrated into this island. Plus all the space that you have here between the island and the area where the stove is here, you have plenty of walking space. We know that the kitchen is something that brings the family together, and a lot of people definitely wrap around these kitchen islands throughout the holidays. You definitely have plenty of space to enjoy this wonderful kitchen. Tall kitchen cabinets, which I believe are soft close cabinets. Let's take a look at that. Yep, they are soft close here. I'll give you another look so you can see. There you go. And then you have some drawers down here, which I thought was pretty interesting. Usually the cabinets down below are pretty bare when you open them, but they have little drawers here that come out for you to store some items there, and makes it easy for you to locate things that you need for there. But a lot of storage space within this kitchen. Towards the back here, you do have a nice dining room area, which is a very spacious area at that. You have tons of natural light coming in here as well from both this slider door you have here on the side, plus this double windows facing the back of the home. Definitely a lot of space here to enjoy some meals and create some memories with your friends and family. But let's take a look at this backyard and see what this has to offer. I think you're going to enjoy this backyard. And they do have a pool set up for this model, so you already know that every house here is allowed to have your own private pool if you want to build one yourself, right? I don't believe the builder builds the pools for you. We could always ask that, but at least it gives you an idea and lets you know already that you already have permission to build that. But take a look at this backyard. Very, very appealing. That water looks very attractive now. It's starting to get very warm out here now in Orlando. It's definitely a nice time to take a dip in a pool like this. But as you can already tell, you do have here behind me, you have a built-in barbecue, kind of a cooking station back here. An option that you can use when purchasing a home like this, or when you're having a home built within this beautiful Silverleaf Oaks community. But let's go upstairs and take a look at what that has to offer. They definitely have a nice big loft over there, some bonus rooms, and the rest of the bedrooms will be located up there as well. So let's go up there and see what it has to offer. All right, guys, so we made it to the second floor, so let's take a look at what this has to offer. Now, there's 4 bedrooms located up here, plus the laundry. Let's go ahead and order to see what they have to offer. Let's go ahead and start over here on this corner. Take it a left from this stairwell here. It is another guest bedroom that you have here. Plenty of space here. You have tons of natural light coming in here, and you do have a nice small walk-in closet towards the corner of this bedroom. Now, let's move on from this bedroom, go to the next doorway here, which is going to be a guest bathroom here for this other bedrooms to use, right? It does have a single sink vanity. It has a combination shower and tub here, and you can see the tile design is just a very beautiful design. Moving on from that one, just down the hallway here towards our left, we're going to take a look at the laundry room, which is a very spacious laundry room. You can see here they have enough space for these 2 side-by-side Whirlpool appliances, which have plenty of space for you to do your laundry here. You have some cabinets up top for some storage space to keep your maybe your detergents or whatnot behind closed doors, so it doesn't look all messy up here. You have 2 nice windows facing the front of the home, letting some natural light in here throughout the day, so you probably don't need these overhead lights on when you're working in here throughout the day. And you have this nice utility sink here to do some washing of maybe some delicates there as well. Plus you have some closet space here to load up some other stuff here, maybe some towels and stuff for these rooms here within this laundry. Definitely spacious laundry. I know a lot of folks like to see that for these type of models. Moving on from the laundry, we're going to go to another bedroom here. Plenty of space here also. This one has a lot of natural light, as you can already tell. This one does come with a small walk-in closet, and it has its own ensuite bathroom as well, which is a great choice that they used that here. Good option for families who maybe have older children who have or need their own space here up top, close to their parents and close to the other siblings. You have this one here available for them with their own ensuite bathroom. But let's go on to the next space here, which is going to be another opening here just across from the stairs here. You have another room that can be used as another secondary room. In this case, they chose to stage it as a gym area for folks who like to keep fit. And if you have the extra space to use this up here, why not, right? You definitely have plenty of space to do your yoga, your stretching, your biking, and your free weights up here within this bedroom. Now, I did say it had kind of like a bonus room or a loft bed room, which is what we're going to take a look at now. This is going to be towards the back corner of the home. Have it nicely staged here. Has kind of like a TV room with this nice sectional couch with a chase, and you have like this little poker area for the guys who like to play poker. You definitely have plenty of space to do that here, but I can definitely see a lot of folks utilizing this room for several different reasons, and mainly for maybe a game room or for some entertainment up here. But last but not least, we do have that primary bedroom to take a look at, which is going to be a very spacious primary bedroom. Take a look at this. Plenty of natural light coming in from those windows facing the back of the home. You have tons of space for that king size bed and multiple furnishings throughout this primary bedroom. I love the crown molding that they use throughout this house. Definitely gives it a nice luxury style look for this particular property. And coming back towards the back of this, you have this nice large walk-in closet, plenty of space for either spouse to put all their clothes and all the necessities here within this closet space. Now, moving across from this closet space, you do have that primary bathroom. Very spacious primary bathroom. You do have a 2-sink vanity, again with that nice gray stone top, that stone countertop that we saw throughout the rest of the home. Plenty of space here for a nice little tub that they located here right next to this glass enclosed shower, which is going to be a step-in shower as well. But yeah, that's pretty much going to do it for the tour of this beautiful Scarlett model, guys. We're going to go ahead and run back downstairs and get out of here, and we'll go ahead and finish this tour. All right, guys, so that's going to do it for the tour of this beautiful Scarlett model built by Pulte Homes here within the Silverleaf Oaks community in the Horizon West Winter Garden, Florida area. What did you guys think about this model? Let me know down below within that comment section. Now, base price for this home is about $760,000 and up from there. Now, remember, when it comes to new construction homes, that base price means that it's the starting price. That's not including your lot premiums. That's not including any upgrades you're going to add to it within the design center, whatever option packages that you pick from. That all gets added, plus the closing costs, right? That all can bring that price north of that base price. So remember that. But speaking with sales reps from other companies, they all tell me everything's negotiable, right? So we can do our best in order to negotiate that price, negotiate some packages, and see what we can get a great deal for you and your family when moving to a community just like this one. Now, HOA here, you do have an HOA of $152 a month. That's going to cover your basic cable and maybe 1 gigabyte of high-speed internet, if I'm not mistaken, plus the maintenance of the common areas and all the amenities that you get here, like the playgrounds, the dog park, and that resort stop pool that you're going to have in the near future. And from what I understand, they do have some pickleball courts that are being built here as well for all the pickleball fans here as well. But for all the information for this particular model and for this community, I'm going to leave it down below within that description area. So make sure you take a look at that before you leave this video and go on to another video on this channel. Other than that, guys, thank you once again for enjoying another tour on this channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video.